Okay, children, let us write polynomials with one variable. Okay, tell me. 5x square plus 3x minus 5. Here if you observe, there is only one variable in throughout the expression. And 3x square minus 5x plus 4. Here also this is a polynomial with one variable. X plus 5. This is also a polynomial with one variable. Students, try to write some more polynomials with variable y. Take variable as y and try to write polynomials with one variable, that is with y, in your notebook. Okay. See, if we want to write an expression as a constant into variable. A constant into variable. But we don't know what is the actual value of the constant. Sometimes in such cases, constants are represented by, when we don't know the value of the constant, they can be represented by A, B, C and so on. Variables by X, Y, Z and so on. So we can write the expression as AX, BY, CZ. In this way we can write. So here A, B, C are called arbitrary constants, children. Remember this? Arbitrary constants. When we consider this case, when we don't know the actual constants, we represent constants with A, B, C and variables with X, Y, Z. So these constants specially known as arbitrary constants. Here A, B, C are also alphabets, but this means they are the arbitrary constants. X, Y, Z represents variables here. Okay, children. Okay, now let us once again look at the terms of the polynomials. Terms of the polynomial. Let us take this expression. Okay. What are the terms? What are the terms? Here 5x square. How many expressions are there? Single expressions. 5x square is an expression. 3x is an expression. 5 is also an expression. 5 is also an expression. Because 5 can be represented as 5 into x power 0. We know in exponents and power chapter we learned anything power 0 is 1. So 5 into 1 becomes 5. So individually 5x square, 3x and 5x are the expressions. They are combined with the operations plus and minus. So these are called terms. The expressions which are separated by the plus and minus, addition and subtraction, are called terms of the expression, terms of the given polynomial, terms of the given polynomial. So 5x square is a term, 3x is a term, and here 5 is also a term. Why? Because 5 into x power 0 is equals to 1. So these are the terms of the polynomial. Let us know about coefficients. Let us take first term. 5x square. 5x square. Here what is coefficient? The constant which multiplies the given variable. The constant which multiplies the given variable is called coefficient of that variable. Coefficient of that variable. So here every term is a product of constant and also variable. Here also 3 and x. 3 is a constant, x is a variable. Here 5 is a constant, x is a variable. So here coefficient of x square is 5. Coefficient of x is 3. Coefficient of x power 0 is 5. See? So in this way, we can write it as, write the coefficients. What are the coefficients? The constants which are multiplied to the given variables are called coefficients of that variables. Coefficients of that variables. Suppose, let us take another example. 7x square plus 5x plus 3. What is the coefficient of x square? It is 7. What is the coefficient of x? It is 5. Then what is the coefficient of x power 0? That is 3. So, you 3x square minus 2x plus 7. Okay, dear students, write your notebook. Write the coefficients of all individual terms, all individual variables, and show to your teachers. Okay, children. Now, you are able to know the terms and coefficients of the given polynomial. Okay. So here, what are the individual terms? 5x square, 3x and 5x to the power of 0. And here they are the coefficients. These are the coefficients. Now let us know about the degree of the polynomial. You know about the terms, you know about the coefficients, and let us know the degree of the polynomial. Suppose there is an expression like this: 4x square plus 3xy minus 5. 4x square plus 3xy minus 5. Okay, children, let us discuss about the degree of the polynomial. Let us take this expression 4x square plus 3xy minus 5. So, before finding the degree of the complete polynomial, let us find the degree of the individual terms first. The first term is 4x square. The first term is 4x square. So, here, what is the degree of a term? It is the sum of the exponents of the variable factors. Sum of the exponents of the degree of the term can be denoted as sum of the exponents of variables. So here, what is only one variable there? So the exponent of the given variable is 2. So degree of the 4x square is 2. So we can define a degree of term as sum of the exponents of variable factors. Variable factors means we have to look at the power of the individual term here. So here the exponent is 2. So degree of this term is term 4x square is 2. Okay, then what is the next term? 3xy. 3xy. That is 3x power 1, y power 1. What is our definition? Sum of the exponents of the variable. In the first term, there is only one variable, so we noted it as 2. But in the second term, there are two variables, x and y. There are two variables. So, the sum of the exponents will become 1 plus 1. Exponent of first variable is 1 and also second variable is also 1. So, this becomes 2. Here also degree of 3xy is 2. And in the third case, what is there? It is 5. So, 5 can be represented as 5 into x to the power of 0. 5 into x to the power of 0. So, here what is the degree? Degree is 0. Always remember that degree of a constant term is always 0. Degree of the constant term is 0. So, this is the way to find the degree of the individual terms. Now, let us find the degree of the polynomial. Let us take another example. See here, 3x square plus 5x square y plus 3y square 2. There is an expression like this. Let us find the degree of the first term is, you can say by seeing itself, it is 2. Degree of the second term is 2 plus 1. Okay children, let us find the degree of the 3x square plus 5x square y plus 3y square plus 2. So by seeing we can say the degree of the first term is, that is 3x square. Degree is 2 because the exponent of variable is 2 here. What is the next term? 5x square y. Here what is the degree? Y is with exponent 1. So sum of the exponents 2 plus 1. So 3 is the degree of the second term, 5x square y. Now 3y square. Can you tell me the degree of this 3y square? Yes, you are right children. Because 2 is the exponent of the given variable y here, it is degree. So here, what is the degree of the 2? Just now we have discussed degree of the 2 is, 2 can be written as 2 into x power 0. So degree is 0. So among all these terms, what is the highest degree, children? What is the highest? This is the highest. Yes, you're right. You're right. So degree of this complete expression is 3. Now you can define the degree of the polynomial as, degree of the polynomial is the highest of the degree of all terms. Highest of the degree among all terms is called degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial can be defined as highest degree among all terms of polynomial. Is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So this is the given degree of the polynomial.